As reports of fighting between Afghan security forces and the Taliban continue in at least 80 districts across Afghanistan, the head of the High Council for National Reconciliation, Abdullah Abdullah, said the US troop withdrawal from the country paved the way for the insurgent group to increase the level of violence.
The US troop withdrawal from Afghanistan paved the way for the Taliban to increase the level of violence, said Abdullah Abdullah, the head of the High Council for National Reconciliation, on Wednesday. Speaking at an event in Afghanistan's capital Kabul, Abdullah said that the Taliban is expanding the war and seeks to be the winner on the battlefield. But it will not be able to dominate Afghanistan militarily. He cautioned it is impossible for the Taliban to take over Afghanistan through war. Meanwhile, the UN also called on Afghan warring sides not to lose the current opportunity for peace. Afghan government and Taliban negotiators have met in Qatar's capital Doha over the past 2 weeks to discuss the peace process after a pause when negotiations largely stalled earlier this year. Talks began in September, but the negotiations largely broke off in April when the United States announced it would withdraw its forces by September 11 after a May 1 deadline the Trump administration had agreed with the Taliban. Meanwhile, on Wednesday, European Union's envoy for Afghanistan, Thomas Nicholson, said time was running out for Afghan peace negotiations and more needed to be done to boost the discussions as international forces withdraw from the war-torn nation. Taliban spokesman Suhail Shaheen said on Twitter that on Tuesday, groups from both negotiation teams had met to discuss recalibration of order and sequence of talk sessions. But Nicholson said that to show true progress, substantive proposals needed to be put on the table on each side's plans for the country and outcome of the talks, which the Taliban had not yet provided.